The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above the surface of a lake is theta, and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is phi. Prove that the height of the cloud above the lake is this much. So this is a question wherein I want you guys to take all of these steps and draw the diagram. Okay, so what are we looking at? We have a lake. So that lake is represented with the help of this particular. This is your lake. Okay, guys, surface of the lake. And we are at a height of h. This is where we have the point of observation. And we are looking at a cloud, right, which is at a distance of say x. That I wanted to use this. So this is at a distance of x. The reflection will be along the same straight line. So what is the condition? The condition is that this distance will be same as this distance. So since we have the distance to be almost same and it's going out of frame, let's reduce this a bit. Okay, yes. So we have the cloud to be a bit below than originally drawn. The reflection will be somewhere over here as well. Okay, what is the condition over here? The distance between the lake and the object and the lake and the image will be one and the same, right? So the object distance is same as the image distance in case of a plane mirror, right? So that's the whole funda over here. So basically, let me extend the lens. So we have this to be say x, and this too will be x, right? Since the lake is acting like a plane mirror. Now the question is, where are the diagram? What are we looking at? We're looking at top and bottom. One is the cloud itself and another is the image of the cloud. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, and this is a point, some point O. Or this can be O, this can be A, this can be M, and this can be N. So guys, question to you all is, what is the distance from A to N? What is this length? This length is, yes, x plus h, right? Why is that? From the surface to the reflection, it is x. Okay, so obviously the remaining distance is h, so obviously the total distance is x plus h. And what about this? This length will be x minus h. Okay guys, this entire length is x. We have a height of, we are at a height of h, so the remaining distance is x minus h. And we have theta and phi and all of that. So the angle of elevation of the cloud from a point h above the surface of the lake is theta. So this is your theta and that's your phi. And we have the required diagram, that's it. Okay, so your answer starts with this. I hope you guys got this. We have done it before. Now to prove x is equal to h times of tan phi plus tan of theta, entire thing divided by tan phi minus tan theta. We'll start off with a proof. Let the height of the cloud above the lake be x. Therefore, the distance of the cloud's image from the surface of the lake is x. Reason, why is it so? Because image distance is equal to object distance, as the surface of the lake acts like a mirror. As the surface, array, as the as the surface of the lake acts like a plane mirror. Guys, the whole funda is this only. We need to very carefully write all of this. So you guys should not be missing this. Okay, guys. Even I am not of writing things which are not necessary. So you don't have to worry. I'm not writing too much. Okay, then moving on. In triangle, we have OAM. See, all I'm doing is, I know that we have to use tan and all of that because we have it over there. Let's use that and get it over with, right? So we'll just write it. Even I don't know what is the, how to get the exact answer. I'm just writing what is obvious to me. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite is x minus h divided by adjacent is OA. So now I got an idea. I think we have to get expression for OA and equate it, and we are done with the answer. If you didn't understand that, I'll be explaining it. I'm going to show that only. So here I got OA, right? From other triangle also I'll get an expression for OA because OA is common in both the triangles. OAN. In triangle OAN. So we have tan of phi is equal to opposite by OA, right? So therefore OA is equal to x plus h by tan phi. You solve it and you'll get the answer. That's it. And now for the simplification from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what do we have? OA is equal to x minus h divided by tan theta is equal to x plus h by tan phi. So we'll cross multiply with these two expressions. We have x minus h into tan phi. Actually, we can skip this step and directly multiply it. Tan theta into x plus h. Right, guys? I could have skipped this step. This step is not required. And directly gone with x into tan of phi minus h times of tan of phi. It's equal to x times of tan of theta plus h times of tan of theta. Rearrange and we have the answer. That's it. So x tan phi minus x tan theta is equal to h times of tan theta plus tan phi. And here we have x is equal to h times of, I'm taking x common and then transposing. So you need not show all of that. Entire thing divided by tan phi minus tan theta, hence proved. That's it. Okay, all I did was, let me actually check the answer. It's correct. Tan phi minus tan theta. Okay, that's it. Very simple, is it not? All I did was draw a good diagram, explain myself, and then take two triangles and we are pretty much done. right? This is one of the difficult questions. Oh yeah, I've given it level 2 plus, but I'll place it to be level 3 for you guys. But yeah, it's level 2 plus only. Huh. No, no, no. This is level 3. It was a difficult question for my old students. So for you guys also, it will be the same. Okay, level 3. And now you can have a look. Again, try it yourself. If you don't get, then you can just see where you guys are going wrong.